Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Lipozem review. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is Lipozem here, what does it actually do, and what it is. Well, if you've been looking at Lipozem, well, particularly the Lipozem Keto BHB weight loss capsules here, well, let's sit down and walk through exactly what this product is. Now, the ingredients and what it features, and how do you actually use it according to their manufacturer's guideline. Now, what is Lipozem? Now, Lipozem here is a daily dietary supplement designed as a ketogenic support formula. Now, it is formulated in capsule form and is marketed towards adult men and women, aiming to support weight management, metabolic activity, and daily energy levels. Now, because it is a ketogenic formula, its main goal is to provide the body with exogenous ketonosis, which are ketones introduced from outside the body to assist individuals who are following a keto lifestyle or looking to promote metabolic vitality. Now, according to the website, you might be wondering, what does Lipozem offer here? Now, the main feature of Lipozem is a blend of active ingredients which are focused on supporting the body's natural processes. Now, when you look at the product's formulation, now the following components actually comes up. BHB salts. So the advanced formula features high quality BHB salts, especially magnesium BHB, calcium BHB, and sodium BHB. Now, these mineral salts here are the building blocks of exogenous ketones, helping to supply clean energy directly to your cells and supporting a state of metabolic activity. Now, they also have, or the supplement also has what we call natural, botanical, and herb extracts. Now, depending on the specific variety of the Lipozem line, so some versions also incorporate a supportive blend of natural plant-based ingredients designed for gut health and physical comfort. Now, such as the oat bran here or something similar. And also, they have the manufacturing quality assurance here. So the product is noted to be 100% natural, vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free, and free from artificial additives, according to the website. Now, it is manufactured in the United States within GMP certified facilities. Now, you might be wondering, if this is the product, how do you actually use Lipozem here? Well, to get the most out of Lipozem, the consistency and proper timing are key. Now, according to the usage instructions on the packaging or in their website, well, the daily dosage here, or the standard recommended serving, is 2 capsules per day. Now, it is advised to take the capsule with a meal, so taking them alongside your food helps with proper absorption and digestion of the active ingredients. And also, always take the capsule with a full glass of water, at least like 8 ounces, to ensure they are easy swallowed and fully dissolved in your system. Now, what about the packaging or purchase options here? Now, Lipozem here is widely available online and typically comes in bottles of 60 capsules. Now, you can buy this on different marketplaces, just depends on where you're going to buy it. But yeah, so in this case, this represents what we call the product. So first is we have like 60 capsules here, if I'm not mistaken. So, 60 capsules, which represents the standard 30-day supply when following the recommended daily dosage. Now, depending on where you purchase, you can find it in a single bottle option, multi-pack bundles, such as 3 packs or 5 packs. It totally depends on where you want to buy it, but which offers bulk savings if you plan on integrating it into your routine for a longer period of time. But yeah, so that's about it. So, if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.